Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Hawaiian Dexoysis tea. So I'm starting with a little bit of water in my cup, doing a tablespoon and a half of peach tea, 1 scoop of tropical fiber, adding some probiotic, stir it up. Then I'm adding a tablespoon of Pina Colada Stevia and a tablespoon of strawberry stevia. Stir that up, add some ice about halfway, then add your lime Liftoff, more ice and water, then I'm topping it with Tropical Fusion Mio. And that's it. That's how you make the Hawaiian Dexoysis Detox tea. Thanks for watching.